7 years.
I think 6.
For myself. That's a long time, you know?
I know 6.
At 6.
I don't know.
Give me back my gift for 6. I don't know what I did forget you. Because of how much birthday we celebrate together, anniversary already, I feel like me get you everything what you would want, plus I watch you get yourself the stuff them what you want as well.
That's how I feel too.
Plus you know we have things to do, so we can't do unnecessary things right now. So you can go ahead and look in it. The white thing, you can leave that. You can make that stay
I know you never forget
in there. I know, but I wanted to.
No, but that's not.
I not really nothing. It's just, I know nothing, babe. I promise you, it's nothing.
So I tell me, say nothing come in that bag.
I mean, there's just some small stuff where I just anniversary stuff. But as I said, the white something, make that stay. So when you look in there, you'll see what is white. So go ahead, check it out. Check it out. Check it out. I know you love chocolate.
It's mad. Yo, another one we have sitting in there.
Peanut? When I think that one they have peanut.
Thank God, God. It peanut one.
2 Clyde? Okay.
Thanks, boo.
No problem.
Yo! Yo! Poor kid, I put this on my office decks. This video on my office.
The slide out one, so easy for work. You want to show them?
Oh, you slide out? Oh, you can slide it from the side?
Yeah,
oh, no, you're not push it up one. That's good.
Yeah, I love that photo.
Yo, the funniest thing, me literally, yo, and I lead part with this side, yo, if me tell you what I go do yesterday.
Baby, I never have to do no more. Me tell you what I want, you get me.
Well, I know. Me go buy one album. Remember, mommy and daddy did have one 4th album. Me go buy it, but me still go buy it though. And while I best picture them, we can start put them in it. That the way, you know, when baby come into a picture and like 20 years, 15 years, or 100 years come, you say, this is when me, your grandmother, this is 23. Alright then, the white something, this one, okay. What is that? What is that? Okay.
But I support buying you an earring, you know, but
why not support buying an earring?
I mean, it's not necessary. You baby handsome without them stuff there. But
that's accessory.
yeah, me understand see a little, you know, so do what you gotta do.
Thank you. Yeah, man, we can fly out there, man.
Yeah.
Sit there right. Thank you.
Wait.
Jesus.
Not even focus. Yeah, I see it. But yeah, that is it. Alright, so I'm gonna cut the camera and you can guys soon come back. So the next something be back on the vlog. So guys, I don't think we're doing anything today. That's what I think. So when I want to see my ear right now, my ear platina 2. But you know, me can't slick it down and whatever the case is. But me I work with Jason because if it's up to me alone, I just cook some food and me and Jason watch a movie. Guys, I am a very simple girl.
We're not watching a movie with you.
Oh, what about me some movie?
We're not watching a movie with you.
Why?
I mean, alone now watching a movie with you. I didn't show
I'm comfortable, babe.
No, but no, I'm not watching a movie with you. And it's not going to play something I know you don't want to see. Where either way me gain. Because I'll show them what you want to watch. You know, watch him just sleep right through.
Wow.
You have a meme for that, you know?
I don't want to see it.
Trust me, baby, you that exactly.
Alright, guys, so it's early in the morning.
Exactly, tell them.
Yeah, so early in the morning, but me still jump up and bring you guys along with me. Well, I don't know. Me just for the house part of the day, I know we see what me do, but as I say, when I really have nothing special plan, I don't know what in a Jason head Jason and communicate with me.
We don't about fittings, actually.
When I remember when I telling about Jason in my video the other day, me and him I go through it right now. Guys, I saw me looking at the yard 90% of the time, you know, hair plaiting too, but it did catch up. I mean, I couldn't sleep with the thing in my head back, so me plait it. But babe, so me for get ready. No, don't wear that one there, babe. Anyway, Jason said me for put on some clothes. So me for put on like a road trip type of vibe clothes. So that's what I'm doing. Still don't know what I will be doing. I could go with a t-shirt and probably a leggings or a shorts or something. I don't know. Anyways, I know the t-shirt, but I don't know if I do one leggings or one shorts. Oh guys, you like these? So cute. It's like mint green, but lighter than mint green. So I'm gonna comb my hair. I'm just gonna catch it up, and that's it. Just gonna catch it up, slick it down and tie it. You know me, I love t-shirt, so I'm gonna go with a t-shirt here. Really cute and unique. Love it. I bought this shirt at a place in Mandeville. I'm gonna put our business place right here so on the screen. She sell authentic clothes and stuff like that, and perfume and all of the good things. Her name is Kimmy. I love investing in a good t-shirt. So yeah, I have one Vans where match right here, so one them. So see it here. Somebody did have two of them and I gave away one. So I have the one here now. You see it? It match. You see the picture? Yeah. So I think that we work. So I'm going to comb my hair now. Somebody did want the one when name Love Me. I did have it before. But it's always good for trying new things. Somebody see that one here and I get it. I started use it already. I use it yesterday. Because I get it from yesterday. And I think Jason used it too. Hence why it go down so much. That's so much Jason use. Yeah. Smells really nice. That's all I did want. Plus one other thing, but me never ever tell Jason so I want that. Never. And it's a simple thing, you know. My female them from me so that you're not gonna know what me I say. And men, if you want to read it in the comment section, just do it. Do it. Because we love them things, but we don't want to ask sweet. So, I just say the perfume alone, in hopes that I would have gotten the other thing, you know, on the side. Yes, babe?
Make sure you have charge on board your phones.
Okay, yeah, them a charge up. I never wear it before. I never wear none of them before. Well, I don't normally wear things that... You see me? Once I have something and it's too tight for me, or my sister only one wear me go get in it, or it's too big, you're not going to see me stuff it to make it fit. I now go wear it and make it squeeze and say, oh, I just want to get one wear. I go give it away. So I did have two of these and I gave up. I mean, same color. They were the same color, but like different pattern on it. The one, I do love the next one more, but no matter me. Yeah, so both of them. I think that one here is a little bit lighter than the next one. But you see, it worked out perfect because now it come match this. Somebody give her the next one and keep back the one here. I'm going to use the Eco Gel. I don't know how I feel about Eco Gel, so I'm not even have to tell you now. I just use it because it get the job done. You know, it work. It work for my ear, but I don't love the whole heap of residue. That I don't love about it. Full of too much residue. It leaves back too much residue, I mean. I don't love that. Alright. Now I'll just put it in place and may I go part it. May I go fix the part. You don't ever want something but just can't find the courage to buy it? I mean that. One mosquito zapper. I really need to buy one. No man, Angel, come on. I don't know if I don't buy it because I don't love how it smells when the mosquito burn, but them good. So after everything is in place, I just pull the scrunchie and catch it up over. How do you get them scrunchie here? Them stretchy, man. That's nice. Then I'm gonna just make the back into a bun. But I'm gonna plait it first. I'm gonna give it a loose plait because I'm not loving it knot up. Make a rubber band. So I just kind of fluff out the plait a bit. So this is what I do. Bring it up and then use another little scrunchie to secure it. And we have a cute little one. Well, I don't know if it's cute or not, gonna tell me. Alright? Or should I make it fluffier? Kind of fluffy, nice, you know. Jason! I make Jason tell me if you want to look like a bit fluffier. Can we tell me the truth, you know? Can you tell me how the bunny are looking at my head back? Like you want to look fluffy or look too little?
You call it what?
You want to look big?
No, where your name? A bun?
Yeah.
Oh, net.
You know what I put in my ear?
Ah.
It good pee. Mommy give me so she hair so you can grow hair.
I could put no good piece now.
Guys, me not just put drain out the buckle. Can't tell me what you put now. Is it big or you want to look? Is it too small or you want to look a little fluffy?
You look long cute. You can't fluff it up. You're not Indian. You don't do it thing you normally do.
It look okay?
No, make it bigger. What is style when you use sketch video? How are this? This look like a when you call it sitting there? When money is low down in a society.
What that?
Recession. You can call it recession money.
Me not remind nobody say our anniversary. Like normally, like you know, we would have start post each other from like 12. But me say I want to see who remember. So me tell Jason say, nothing make no post yet until later. Come me just want to see who genuinely remember. No, it's not one of them tests that when me I say, oh, you know, because really and truly people not really remember anniversary in real life. Them remember birthday and stuff like that. One supporter said it to me yesterday. My answer, me tell her thanks. So she probably thinks that it was yesterday. Because I did just say thank you, boo. You know, I never said no tomorrow. And I did really appreciate that. Right guys, so I'm going to make the bun now. I'm going to make it look a bit bigger. Yeah, so. Oh, no, lies. Serena, tell me, babe.
How much you go for this?
What?
I'm sure.
No, you can't take it.
Oh. Hey, Serena, tell me?
Yeah, Serena, tell me, guys. So, update. Serena told me this morning. Serena, remember. But nobody else not say it to me yet. And the time is about after 10. So, I still give people a fair chance to remember. Not like they have to. They don't have to because, as I said to you guys earlier, anniversary are things that people don't normally remember for true. If I did birthday now, you know, but anniversary is something where somebody go just get up and remember like that. for somebody. You get me? So I just want to get the fun out of it. Alright guys, is it better now? Let me use my phone and looking at a mirror here. Let me see. I mean, it don't look too bad, but it look broad. Last time my grandmother gave me that tie there. I don't think she even remember. See how she give me. Alright, so that's it. So guys, I'm gonna bed and get myself together and come back and I put my phone on charge. If I don't ever know what happened to me a while ago, I just did a recording and I did a talk to the camera for about one good 2 minutes. And I realized that the camera never did a record. But I was just giving you guys an update. So, Kim voice note me not too long ago. And she started off the voice note by happy. And I said, she remember, but then she said happy Sunday. You know the regular we would do a morning time to check up on each other and whatever. She still not remember. As me say, I cut them some slack because anniversary and stuff where you really remember for somebody. I mean, you will, but you don't always. When it's not like birthday. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm not feeling away. I just want to see if they genuinely remember. She was just saying this. Happy Sunday. So when me hear she said happy, me I say, But no. Alright guys, so I'm gonna leave out the house now. This is the outfit. I love it. I was gonna wear a leggings or a jeans shorts, but I like the pants here to give me a buzz. Probably at the down here, so I like down at the foot part nice. So yeah, everything kind of tying back so nice. So the sneakers there match the top, and then yeah, phone, guys, ignore the dirty clothes basket. And the phone case match like a purple and the nails and everything tying good, guys. Still don't know where me I go, but just is a road trip vibe, so that it is. Yeah, the ear could have slipped down some more still. But yeah, guys, I made this. Later. Bye.